The Tyre Sensors Not Detected check manual error on Ford Focus models, especially 2012-2024, indicates a problem with the tire pressure monitoring system, or TPMS. This message means your car's computer, the engine control unit, or ECU, isn't communicating with one or more TPMS sensors. Common causes include dead sensor batteries that last 5 to 10 years, recent tire changes, or software glitches. Ford has released over-the-air software updates via the Ford Pass app to address this, especially in newer models. To fix it, start with a TPMS Relearn procedure. If that doesn't work, consider a dealer visit for diagnostics, especially if your car is under warranty, extended to 8 years for TPMS components post-2023. A TPMS Relearn resynchronizes your car's computer with the tire pressure sensors. First, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Press the brake pedal 3 times, then press and hold it until train left front appears on the dashboard. Use an OBD2 tool to trigger each tire sensor in sequence. Start with front left tire, then front right, and rear left. Each action triggers the sensor. A horn chirp confirms each sensor is registered. After all sensors are trained, the system should recognize them. If this doesn't work, a mechanic can perform the relearn or diagnose faulty sensors.